In this video, we're going to walk through the installation and the setup of the password plugin called LastPass. LastPass is a plugin that is available for Internet Explorer, Firefox, and Chrome, and it is a tremendous time saver when link building for the various social media and article marketing sites that require a username and a password. So to get the plugin, simply go to the URL lastpass.com. And then you'll see on the home page it has a button to download the free version of LastPass, which we'll be using. Once you click through to the link, you'll get to a page where it gives you the option of downloading the different plugins for the different browsers, or you can download it for all three browsers, which I recommend. This allows you to have your passwords available on any browser that you're using at that particular time, and not just limited to one browser that has your passwords stored. So once you have the plugin installed, and this is Chrome that I'm using in this example, you'll see to the right of the URL bar is a red button, which is for LastPass. When you are logged into LastPass, the button will be red, and when you're not logged in, it will be gray, and you simply need to click on the gray button to log into LastPass, and then all of your passwords will be available. So let's quickly walk through an example of setting up a password in LastPass. We'll use the site Karma Links, which is a social media site that we'll be using for link building, and simply go to the login page, and you're going to set up or enter your password as normal, and then LastPass will ask, once you've logged in, LastPass will ask to save your password, which you want to do. So you simply hit save site, and then it'll take you to this screen that has a couple of different options, of which one is important, which you want to click auto login. This allows LastPass to automatically log you into a site once it recognizes the URL. So the next time that you arrive at the Karma Links login page, it will automatically enter your username and password and log you into the site. So once you click this button, we can now hit save, and it's now been saved as a password. So let's log out really quickly, and this is going to move pretty quickly, and this is the benefit of LastPass. So once I hit the login button, it's going to automatically put in my password, username, and log me in. So now I can move on to the next steps of adding the content that I want to bookmark on this particular site, or maybe article marketing. So this is setting up your passwords in LastPass. Is a little bit slow the first time, but once you go through, set it up for the various social media and article marketing sites, it'll save you a tremendous amount of time when you're building the links, and it's something that you won't have to come back to. So LastPass is the plugin. Go to lastpass.com, download it, set up your passwords, and you should be off and running. Thanks. In this video, we're going to walk through the installation and the setup of the password plugin called LastPass. LastPass is a plugin that works for Internet Explorer, Firefox, and Chrome, and it is a tremendous time saver when doing link building across the various social media and article marketing sites that require a username and a password. To get the LastPass plugin, simply go to the URL lastpass.com, and then on the home page you're going to see a button to the right that says download the free version of LastPass, which we'll be using here. Once you click through to the download button, you'll get the option of which browser type you want to download the plugin for, or you can download the plugin for all three browser types, which I recommend because that gives you access to your passwords across all three browsers instead of being limited to your link building activities in one browser type. So after you've downloaded and installed the plugin, you'll see, I'm using Chrome in this example, you'll see to the right of your URL bar will be a red button, which is LastPass. When you're logged into LastPass, the button will be red, and when you are logged out, the button will be gray. So in order to log in, simply click the gray button and then put in your username and password for LastPass, and then you'll be logged into the system. So we'll quickly walk through an example of how to set up the password in LastPass. We'll use the site Karma Links, which is a social networking site for that you can add links to, or link building, and we'll be using this as part of our link building. So we'll just simply go to the login screen, and all you do is log in as normal, as you normally would to one of these sites, and put in your username and your password. And after you've done that and you logged in, there'll be a menu that drops down, the green one from LastPass, that asks you, do you want to save the site? And you want to click save the site. And on this page, there's only a couple things that are important. One is click the auto login button, because what this does is once you navigate to a site like the Karma Links login page, and LastPass recognizes that, it'll automatically enter your username and password and log you into that site. The other thing that you could use on this page is the grouping function. So if you want to group all of your social media sites or your article marketing sites or whatever type of sites that you are visiting, if you want to group them all together, you could do that from this page. But that's all you need. So once you do that, you just hit save, and then you're good to go. So let's log out and just kind of show you an example of how this works. Now it happens very quickly. So once I click on the login button, it's going to enter my username, password, and log me into the site. And it really happens that quickly. So now at this point, you can move on to actually submitting your articles to this site. So the same process, rinse and repeat across the other social media and article marketing sites, and it is going to be a tremendous time saver for your link building activities. So once again, go to lastpass.com in order to download the plugin, and simply go from site to site, set up your passwords, and then you should be good to go. That's it. Thanks. In this video, we're going to walk through the installation and the setup of the password plugin called LastPass. LastPass is a plugin that is available for Internet Explorer, Firefox, and Chrome, and it is a tremendous time saver for link building for the various article marketing and social media sites that require a username and a password. So to get the LastPass plugin, simply go to lastpass.com, and then once you arrive at the site, you're going to see a button on the right that says download the free version of LastPass, which we'll be using. Once you click through to LastPass, you're going to get the option of which browser you want to download the plugin for, or you can download it for all three browsers, which I recommend, particularly because this gives you access to your passwords across all three browsers, and then you're not required to use one particular browser for your link building activities, which